Now to sports news. India Polo Team B Manipur clinched the title of the 7th Manipur Women's International Polo Tournament by defeating South Africa 8-7 in a thrilling final at Mapal Kangjebung in Intl today. For the winners, T.H. Tana scored 3 goals while K.H. Deventi and Veronica Oinam netted 2 goals each and M. Bijenti added 1 goal. For South Africa, Spice Chris scored 4 goals, Abraham cleared 2 and Krenji Ritali 1. Closing ceremony of the tournament organized by All Manipur Polo Association was attended by Lieutenant General retired Dr. K. Himale Konzam, Census Director H. Rosita, Yas Secretary N. Praveen, Transport Director K. H. Daina and AMPA President Dr. K. Sarachandra. India Polo Team B received a trophy and 1,50,000 rupees as prize money, while South Africa got a trophy and 1 lakh rupees as runners-up prize. Teams from India A, India B, Manipur, South Africa and Zambia participated in the tournament.